No parent wants to hear that there's something wrong with their unborn child.
Anytime your child gets sick, it's always very difficult. Our kids are our lives, it's our most valuable possessions. We commit everything to them. This was picked up during the pregnancy where there was this big dilated ureter and kidney, and you can see the dilated ureter snaking down towards the bladder, and it turned out with further imaging that this was actually a duplicated kidney, and one of the ureters was obstructed. If it were to get contaminated with bacteria, if she were to get a urinary tract infection, that could lead to an infection in the kidney, and these kids can get very sick.
Itsy climbed the spout. In case you are in any doubt, she built her web way up high and watched the world float on by. It'll be over
soon. We told her that, we love you, and then we handed her to the anesthesiologist.
Tough.
It was tough.
Technology has changed significantly over the years as we can use smaller equipment for minimally invasive procedures on the babies, smaller incisions and easier recovery. When you're working with pediatric patients, you're working with families as well.
Dr. Hittelman was great. He had a nurse call us every hour on the hour to give us updates.
I have an obligation to reassure the families and explain to them, that everyone has to know what we're doing. So you can see on the camera, on the lens. There we go. Great. That's it. So everything went fine.
Good.
She came in, you went to sleep very easily, and I just removed that little ureteral stent. And I would not anticipate that she would need any further surgeries.
I know you had the purple mitt today. Where are you?
Today was definitely the end of this journey, and was a relief that we made it through together as a family.
I mean, the fact that she had a robotic surgery and all she has to show for it are these tiny, tiny little
3 little scars, and that's
little
it.
stitches, and that's it. She bounced right back. Every encounter and everyone that we've met at Yale has been extremely helpful and caring and compassionate. It's been a good experience. Now that we know that everything is great with Rosalie, we're thinking of having another. 1 or 2.
Yeah.